Black box hiding, all systems exposed. Transparent like the sunrise, let it be composed. Ethics as my armor, obstacles disposed. AI's future brighter, watch it superimpose. Governance clean, no tricks in the scene. Build it right, it's more than just dreams. AI on fire, I'm fuel in the stream. Ethical soldier, I'm the king of machines. I'm the king of this code. AI on my throne, ethical, unshakable, I built it on my own. Clearing the path, obstacles blown. Watch AI shine, let its brilliance be shown. Watch AI.
All right, welcome back to the AI Governance in the Black podcast. Today we want to talk about a AI governance certification that I want to recommend that anybody that's anybody that's interested in AI governance or trying to get more experience in AI governance to get this AI governance certification is from OneTrust. And OneTrust has this certification. If you don't know who OneTrust is a organization that's very big in the privacy space. And they have this AI governance certification. What's great about this AI governance certification, it is a hands-on certification. It is actual hands-on certification. It's one thing to, especially if you're trying to get into the AI governance space and you haven't actually worked in AI governance and you're kind of talking the theory and you kind of know the concepts, but can you actually do the work? So what OneTrust has done, let me back up. So OneTrust, if you're a customer of OneTrust, they have free training for all of their customers and you can get certified. They have privacy certifications. They have tech risk certifications, data management certifications. They have one on third-party risk. And their newest certification is on AI governance. And this certification is a certification track. You actually get three certificates. And if you get all three certificates, you become certified in that AI governance track. And what's great about this certification, like I said, is a hands-on certification. The first certificate you get, you start out, it's just a primer for AI governance. So if you don't know anything about AI governance, it just primes you on general AI governance concepts. You go through the course, you test out, and when you pass your test, you get that certificate. Moving on to the second part of the certification, you move on to actually using OneTrust's actual AI governance platform. Where you actually go into it's an overview of the platform, so you actually get to see a real world AI governance software in action. And even though that one isn't, you're getting a look at a hands-on platform. It's not mandatory that you do the hands-on part. It's called overview, but they actually give you access to the lab, so it's optional to kind of go along with the course. And I would recommend that just to get as much practice as possible, I would recommend that you start practicing getting hands-on at that point, just so you can get that experience. You go through the course on that one, you get the nice overview. You can do the labs as optional, and you also test out on that. Once you test out on that, you get that certificate and you move on to your final certificate, which is the actual, it's just like the overview, but instead of the overview, you're expected to actually go through the actual configurations, how to create attributes in the platform, how to create templates and relationships for managing the responsible use of AI within your organization. So you actually get points for your lab. It kind of tracks you going through the lab at this point, and when you finish the lab, you get a completion for that. You have to complete your course, and you actually test out once again for that third certification. So you actually get hands-on experience in AI governance. So that's what's great about the certification. And once you finish all three certificates, you get a full certification, hands-on certification from OneTrust. Um, and you also get the creditly badge. You get to kind of post that on social media. Definitely wanted to make this video, do the podcast, and recommend this because there are a few, not a lot of AI governance certifications out there, and some of them are pretty good. But to get a hands-on AI governance certification, showing that you know how to do the work and actually getting that muscle memory, getting that actual experience, and if you know anything like I know from working in technology, working in cybersecurity, when it comes to getting hands-on, if you want learn one solution in a certain space, you usually can figure out all other solutions. So get an opportunity to actually see OneTrust AI governance platform and actually get hands-on experience is very valuable. So definitely wanted to recommend that to everybody. And once again, like I said, if you are a customer of OneTrust, if OneTrust is your vendor, you do have access to this training. So definitely take advantage of that. All right. Thank you.